Good morning. Today we are going to study the introduction of automobile and its simple definition and its classification and some basic terminology. First of all, we see the meaning of an automobile. Auto means transport and mobiles means move from one place to another. It is a branch of mechanical engineering. Now we will see the definition of automobile engineering. An automobile is a self-propelled vehicle generally driven by IC engine, and it is used for transportation of passengers and goods on ground. Example of automobile are car, bus, truck, scooter, etc. The history behind the invention of automobile and its form changes from decade to decade is shown here. History of an automobile engineering. First automobile IC engine was invented and designed in Germany during 1880 century. In 1897, first car ran on India Road. Now we will see the classification of automobile vehicle. The automobile vehicle can be classified on various bases. Some of the bases are here shown. On the basis of load, on the basis of load, it is divided into three parts: heavy transport vehicle, light transport vehicle, light motor vehicle. In heavy transport vehicle, the example of heavy transport vehicle is truck, bus, and light transport vehicle example is pickup, station wagon, scooters, and in light motor vehicle, car, jeep, etc. On the basis of wheels, automobile is also divided into four parts: two-wheeler vehicle, example scooter, motor, scooty; three-wheeler vehicle, auto rickshaw, tempo; and four-wheeler vehicles, example car, jeep, trucks, buses; and six-wheeler vehicle, example big trucks having more than four tires. On the basis of transmission, conventional vehicle with manual transmission, example car with 5 gear; and semi-automatic, automatic. On the basis of fuel, it is also divided: petrol vehicle, which is basically run by petrol engine, example motorcycle, scooters, car, etc. Diesel vehicle, example truck, bus; electrical vehicle, battery driven; steam vehicle; and gas vehicle. The main components of the automobile, it consists of mainly five components: engine, which is called the power plant of the automobile. It is the source of power. And the second sub part basic components is frame and chassis. It support the engine, wheel, body, braking system, steering, etc. The other components transmission, which transmit power from engine to the car wheel. It consists of clutch, transmission, shaft, axle, and differential. And the next component is body and control. And other component accessories, it includes all the luxurious item, light, air conditioning, audio tape, etc. Here A diagram of engine is shown, which we'll study in detail in the next topic about the engines. And here in this diagram it shows the chassis of an automobile engine, four-wheeler, its body. The basic definition of chassis is the main parts of an automobile which support the weight of the vehicle. Cooling system we will study in next topic. The main function of a cooling system is to keep the temperature of the engine within the working conditions so that it engine can properly work without any damage. In cooling system, following we have to study: radiator, fans, hose, thermostator, water jacket, coolant, water pump, reservoir tank. Here the basic diagram of cooling system. In further, we have to study also lubricating system in automobile. The main function of the lubricating system is to decrease the friction, and also it control the engine temperature drops. The engine basically used in automobile are grease, oil. Here the diagram is shown, which we will study in elaborate in next lecture. Driven train. The main function of a driven train is to deliver power to the driving wheel from engine to the driving wheels. Under its, we have to study transmission, axle, driven shaft, and differential. Here the shown. Exhaust system we have to also study. The main function of the exhaust system is to remove the unwanted gases from the engine to the atmosphere. Braking system, we have to in our syllabus it is have to study in large detail. The braking system, the main function is to stop or move the vehicle as per the requirement, as per the command of the driver. Here the diagram shows the disc brake, drum brake, and its layout. Ignition system, the main function of an ignition system is to generate the spark to ignite the fuel air mixture in IC engine. It consists of spark plug, distributor, spark plug wire, ignition switch, ignition coil, battery. Here the diagram is shown of a ignition system, battery ignition system. Steering we have to also study in detail. The main function of a steering is to change the direction of a vehicle, right or left, as per the situation. In steering system, it consists of steering wheel, steering gearbox, power steering pump, steering linkage, rank and pinion, tie rod, idler arm. Here the diagram of a steering wheel is shown. Suspension system we have to also study. The main function of the suspension system is to absorb unwanted jerk of the vehicle and provide safe journey to the passenger as well as the driver, and increases the comfort of the driver. Under suspension system we have to study spring, ball joint, nickel, damper, control arm. Here a diagram of a damper suspension system is shown, and that's all. In the next lecture we will see the layout the automobile, and in detail we will also study it.